Hello everybody, welcome to Singapore. I'm currently at the Shangri-La Rasa Sentosa in Singapore on Sentosa Island. I've just checked in, literally just checked in. And yeah, thought I'd do a little room tour for you, seeing as I actually have never done a room tour in Singapore before, even though I've stayed at this hotel maybe like 6 or 7 times now. So I thought I'd finally do one, but yeah, I mean, in all fairness, most of those trips were when I was a child, before I had my whole blog and YouTube account. I've only stayed here twice with my blog and YouTube. So yeah, anyway, they also gave me a cheeky upgrade, which was very unexpected. They didn't even tell me when I checked in. I just walked into the room and was like, this is definitely not the room that I booked. I literally booked the cheapest room, which is a garden room, which overlooks like the jungle at the back of the hotel. And they, for some reason, put me in a sea view balcony room, which is lovely. I'm not complaining at all. Because it's a lot lighter than the jungle rooms. But anyway, okay, I digress. Let me show you around before I witter on. So, all right, we walk in and we've got these humongous mirrors. Excuse my handbag there. And then you've got the bathroom here. So, really nice big shower, toilet, a phone for when you're on the toilet, nice big sink, and a nice big bath, although my dreaded windows that you'll know that I hate if you've been here a while. Yeah, I cannot stand windows in hotel bathrooms. I just do not see the point. Anyway, then we come through to the room. This here is the wardrobe. You've got extra blankets there. You've got the hotel gowns and some nice little flip-flops, ironing board, and then plenty of space for clothing. And then this is the room. So nice and light, nicely decorated. Oh no, okay, right, all right, these ones I'm okay with because they're actually not see-through. Okay, that's fine. So you can open them or keep them closed. But yeah, so nice king-size bed, complimentary water, and in cartons rather than plastic bottles, which we like to see. And then over here, so in this drawer you've got the hairdryer. Oh, there we go, hairdryer, phone, little notepad, charging station under here, which you can close when you're not using it. I'm not sure what's in these. Oh, just empty drawers. Is it the same for this? Oh, yeah. Don't know if this is... Oh, and another empty drawer. Okay, so you've got lots of empty space as well for all your storage. And then mini fridge, which is empty, so you can put your own stuff in there. And then tea and coffee things, more complimentary water here. And then here you've got kind of your teas, coffees, glasses, although no mugs. So I'm guessing they forgot to put the mugs in. Anyway, and then, oh, and the safe over here, and a little alarm clock and docking station. And then they've also given me some free fruit. So that's nice. Don't know what's more empty storage space. So you get lots of storage. TV, and then out here is the piece de resistance, which is the view. And it is this stunning view over the ocean. The swimming pool's down here, so you've got a big pool there, and then you've got the kids pools there. And then the hotel. I'm trying not to drop my camera over the side. So I'm on the 11th floor. So yeah, that is the view. And then you've got a nice little seating area. And then you go back into the room. I'm gonna close this door because it's very humid out. And I'm just gonna have a little chat with you all about what I think so far, because although the room is nice, it does smell of mould, and every room here smells of mould. Every room that I've stayed in over the past few years has smelt of mould and damp which is not good, especially for me because I'm allergic to mold, so it flares up my asthma. But anyway, so yeah, I mean, it is a very old hotel, very old. I've been coming here since 1997, and since then I think they've only done 1 or 2 refurbs. They did apparently do a refurb a few years ago, but I can't really see it, like, especially in the downstairs areas, like the bars, the restaurants, like the lobby and everything. The lobby, I remember when I came here as a kid, the lobby, and even as a teenager, so like 12 years ago, 12 or so years ago, I remember walking into the hotel lobby and being wowed. I remember thinking, oh my god, this place is amazing. There was a huge center table full of the most gorgeous, elaborate flowers. There were like lounge sofas and chairs dotted around so you could sit there in the evening and have a cocktail, or a mocktail in mine and my brother's case. It was just beautiful, like it was so well done. Lots of seat, like comfortable, luxurious seating areas. And they've replaced all of that. And now the lobby, gone is that beautiful centerpiece of with a humongous vase of flowers. Instead it's just empty. And where there used to be the kind of like all the sofas and chairs and stuff in that lobby area, it's now a luggage area where they just keep everyone's luggage. And I'm like, this is meant to be a 5-star hotel, and the lobby is basically like, it feels like one of those kind of 4-star all-inclusive resorts in the Caribbean where they use the lobby to just kind of store everything. Yeah. Those are my initial thoughts. And then yeah, even like the lounge and like bar areas, so again, they used to be on the same floor as the lobby. So behind the lobby there was a bar and a lounge area, again with like really comfy luxurious seats where they would have live music in the evenings and you could have drinks and like bar snacks. That's not there. Again, it's kind of just empty. And yeah, and like they've just replaced like a lot of the comfortable seating around the resort with like wooden benches, which just feels a bit cheap and naff and uncomfortable. I don't know, maybe I'm just kind of like spoiled. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm just spoiled and I expect too much. But given this hotel is about £300 a night, you would expect a lot more for that money. And this is the off season. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just a bit like, ugh, is it really worth it? I don't know if it is that situation where because I came here as a child, I have all these amazing memories of being here as a child and it being incredible. And actually maybe it was never that good. Maybe it was just me being a child and thinking it was the best thing ever. But I bet if my parents came back here now, they would think the same, and they would also be really disappointed with what it's like now. Like if my parents came back to Singapore, I would tell them not to stay here because I think it would make them sad. So yeah, those are my thoughts so far. If they change by tomorrow, I will update you. If not, I won't. But yeah, also I'm just very like clammy and hot and sweaty right now because I've been out in the city all day. I arrived at like 10 AM this morning and obviously my room was not ready. So yeah, I just quickly had a shower and then went out exploring, and it's 4 o'clock now. So I've been out in the city all day. I just feel gross. So I'm gonna have a shower and then I'm gonna jump in the swimming pool and just lay by the pool for the rest of the afternoon before going out for dinner. Anyway, I'm gonna stop now, but I hope you've enjoyed this room tour. I hope it's been useful. If you're new here, I post loads of luxury hotel room tours, so give me a follow, a subscribe, whatever, thumbs up the video, comment, all that jazz, and then whenever I post a new room tour, you'll see it pop up. And I do have some exciting ones coming up. So in the next few weeks, I'm staying at the Bel Air Hotel, the Beverly Hills Hotel, and the Beverly Wilshire, all in Beverly Hills. So those room tours will also be live around December time. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you very soon. Bye!